Most 5-star ratings. Amazon's most and highest rated Wi-Fi sprinkler controller is the Rachio Generation 2 Smart Sprinkler Controller. Unbeatable usability. Download the Rachio app to care for your lawn remotely with your smartphone, tablet or laptop, use a connected home system or run zones directly from the controller itself. Adapts to your lawn. Set your own schedules or input details like plant type and sun exposure to let Rachio automatically water your lawn with exactly what it needs to thrive, and not a drop more. Detect leaks and maximize watering precision with the wireless flow meter. Leverage sensitive vortex technology to detect even low-flow leaks before they reach crisis. Only with Rachio, rain and wind skips. Rachio Weather Intelligence uses comprehensive weather data to automatically adjust your irrigation schedule based on the latest local forecasts. Save water, save money. Reduce your water bill by up to 50% while keeping your garden healthy. EPA WaterSense certified, eligible for utility rebates of up to 100% off. Check your local water provider. Most connected controller. Works with top smart home platforms, including Amazon Alexa and Google Home, more than any other smart sprinkler controller. Easy installation. Install it yourself, no special tools or expertise required. Best-in-class customer support. Help is available whenever you need it, yes, even on weekends.